namaste, hola, namo nama, guten morgen, salut and bonjour, à tous et à toutes to all my dear grade 5 students. Yes, you're absolutely right. I'm sure you're very excited to recognize few of your seniors who were there studying in grade 5 last year, speaking French so confidently and so fluently. So, these are the glimpses of the storytelling workshop organized by Alliance Française de Delhi in the month of January 2021, where our little grade 6 students participated with great enthusiasm and confidence and presented their stories in such innovative ways. So here I am, your French teacher. Je m'appelle Uma. Me and my colleague Tamanna will be taking you ahead in the middle school and senior in this exciting journey of exploring French further. French, Français, as you call it, your passport to France and the French-speaking countries. Yes, absolutely, you heard it right. Do you know that it opens up many arenas for you when you learn French? I strongly believe that language has no barriers till you unravel it. You all have learned French as beginners till grade 5, so I suggest you to continue with French only to explore it more and of course take it to the next level of language arena. Parlez-vous français? Oui, je pense oui. Salut, bonjour, comment ça va? Comment allez-vous? I'm sure you all are aware already about these words and I know you must have made your parents learn till now. Yes, so let's confident and be sure of whatever you are learning and let's go ahead and watch what is in store for you.
Bonjour, je m'appelle Tamanna and I'm teaching French in the Shivnada School Noida for the last 5 years. The last year has been one of the most tumultuous years that education has seen. But let's throw the old year and the old memories out of the window and start a brand new fresh year. You must be thinking whether to take up French or to Sanskrit. Well, if you ask me, I would say take up French. We as teachers, we promise to bring the best things to your table in the form of interesting activities and events. So what are you waiting for? Be calm and make the right choice. Hope to see you in the French classroom in the next academic session. See you. Did you know that French is a world language? It's a language for the international job market, a language of culture, a language for travel, a language for higher education. It's the language of international relations, a language that opens up the world, a language that is fun to learn, a language for learning other languages, a language of love and reason, and a language that's a lot more fun. Do you know the feeling of spending endless hours with your nose buried in the dry, dusty textbook? Well, come to the French classroom and your world will definitely be filled with brightly colored picture books, a lot of interactive poems, interactive sessions, and a lot of games to make learning so much fun. There is a reason why you should opt for French, because learning is so much fun. We just can't wait to have you over in our French classes and start studying together. So what are you waiting for? Sign up for French. We hope to see many of you in the French classroom in the new academic session. Bye.
Here you can see the glimpses of students working in the physical classroom. So students are creating the tree of knowledge using all the French vocabulary they have learned so far.
This is a snapshot from the French club. about the French cuisine competition in the French club. Our students made a variety of French dishes ranging from croissant, caramel pudding, crepes, and fruit tarts. Quatorze Juillet, also known as the Bastille Day, the National Day of France, is celebrated with great pomp and show by the Noida Shivnada School students. What you see on this slide are our students from grade 7 and 8 making the French popular dish La Ratatouille in the school kitchen. Every year, the teachers at Shivnada School, Noida, brainstorm ideas to bring a newness of activities to the table, ranging from French assembly in the Wildcats Hall, where the students put up theatrical presentations, musical presentations, and dance presentations. We also did put up a French bakery kiosk in the school where students enjoyed various French eats ranging from baguettes, pain au chocolat, croissant, cakes, muffins, and tarts. Have you heard of this popular saying? If you have it, flaunt it. In this slide, you will see our very beautiful and colorful classroom. We have put on display the various works that our students have done in the French classroom. This work has been done enthusiastically by our grades 6 to 10 students.
Here you can see the children wearing masks made by their own and this they have done under this Omniglot Week activity, wherein they made masks of their favorite cartoon characters and they described it in French, and they relished this really.
Bonjour à tous! Aujourd'hui, je vais présenter ma masse de Tintin. Tintin est petit garçon. Il est détective. Il est intelligent. Il a un chien appelé Snowy. Tintin sait se défendre, est honnête, décent et gentil. Il a résolu de nombreux mystères. C'est mon préféré personnage. Merci pour l'écoute.
In these mind-blowing pictures, you can see that our students have made beautiful calligrams and they have written creative poems. What is a calligram but? A calligram is a poem, phrase or word in which the typeface, calligraphy or handwriting is arranged in a way that create a visual image. So I think we can easily relate to what has been done by our wonderful, amazing children, and this is all done in French because this is done under this Funkar activity this year, 2021. Here we can see the students' masterpieces created this year, especially during the online learning. So here we can see the cartoon strips made by many students, that too especially in French. So they have tried their level best to create whatsoever vocabulary they have learned to make these. So let's have a look. So this is a postcard made by students under different activities they have done. This is a cartoon of a butterfly made with different art forms, and voila. Here we go with the display boards of grade 6. This year, because of Corona lockdown, as everybody is aware of the fact that we could not have offline classes, we did not have the physical classroom, so we made our display boards also virtually, and you can see here how beautifully children have worked on these along with the teachers. So this is for grade 6 that they have done. So especially what they have done for grade 6, since they have limited vocabulary, they have made online quizzes and online games this year. So which is a wonderful masterpiece which has come up with. So this is one. On the same lines, children of grade 7 and 8 have also made beautiful, they have done beautiful work. So this is a display board, an example of grade 7. Les chefs d'œuvre de nos étudiants, that is the masterpieces of our students. So they have made beautiful, they have participated in an event which was a virtual inter-school competition wherein they have to make doodles about France. So this is one example of that. Then here are the cartoon strips made by them. And under the French club, like they have made these cartoons on the French clubs, etc. and an advertisement. And here we go. Now we will go back to grade 8 displays. So here we go with grade 8 display board. So these are some of the work we have already seen and we can see now. So here is a video in which this child has taken part in a competition of making recipe, the French recipe. So let's watch it.
Je suis en 8e de Shivnagar École Noida. Je vous présente un vidéo cours sur les différents aspects de la culture.
And these are some drawings, calligram actually. This is a calligram wherein we make on the image the French. We write a poem on an image. So this is the poem written on an aeroplane, and this is on a fish. And this is a cartoon strip made by them. This is another child who is speaking in French and describing his house.
Bonjour, je m'appelle Varanasi Aditya. J'ai 12 ans. Je suis en 8e. Je vous présente un film court sur la culture française.
So this child is talking about the culture of France in this presentation. He has made a presentation and it's wonderful to watch these things.
What you see on this slide are our students brimming with excitement on winning the gold medal in the French Olympiad, organized by the Silver Zone. We have one such Olympiad, French Olympiad, once a year for our students of grades 6 to 10. In the second picture, you see one of our students getting first prize in the singing competition held at Alliance Française de Delhi.
Bonjour à tous et à toutes. Je m'appelle Shrija Malek. Aujourd'hui, je vais raconter un poème sur le thème L'espoir, c'est la vie. C'est un poème écrit par moi. Notre situation difficile. Cette pandémie a créé de nombreuses restrictions.
As we all know, this year was very difficult for all of us. But in the midst of all this, for having fun for our students and their families, we brought France or Paris at home via this virtual tour to Paris, wherein we roamed around in the roads of Paris and we watched and we saw various French monuments and the amusement parks in Paris. Here are the glimpses of few of them. Now, you must be thinking, what next after middle school? So here is the answer. After learning French in middle school, do you know that you can have the option of choosing either Hindi or French in senior school? That is, you will be learning French or Sanskrit as a second language. That is, grade 9 onwards, as it's very scoring subject and your base is set right till then. It does not only help you to enhance your overall performance, but also it will help you to reach places. You may choose it as your career option later, since the French government and many foreign universities offer a lot of scholarships to the Indian students every year. Not only for broadening their career prospects, but provide them with wonderful job opportunities and placements. If the French language were a credit card, it would be a MasterCard inherently valuable and almost universally accepted. So here we go. Just go ahead and catch your dreams. Frank Smith once said, and I quote, "One language sets you in a corridor for life. 2 languages open every door along the way." That's very true. So let's learn French and the world will be yours.